build my dream go kart, even though the motor that I plan on using is from a Kawasaki Ninja H2R, which can do over 240 miles per hour. The motorcycle itself can, but since go kart's gonna have smaller wheels and tires, that means hell, it will do probably over that easy if I gear it right. If I can, I want to make it to where it'll do 300 or even more. I really don't know. What would y'all want me to do? Would y'all want me to buy a Kawasaki Ninja H2R? Because if I were to do that, that would be real awesome, guys. So, post in the comments if y'all would want me to. And if y'all do, I will do it. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Bye guys, see y'all on the next upload. Hey guys, if I were to build a lifted truck, guess how big it'll be? It'll be at least 6 foot lift kit. A 6 foot lift kit, guys. So yeah, because the biggest lift kit I've ever seen was like a 50-inch lift kit. I'm gonna step it up to a 6 foot lift kit. So 72 inches. So hopefully y'all enjoy. Bye guys, see y'all in the next upload. Y'all are the best. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.